Hello! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and I'm gonna show you how to add the workout or the exercise to the list of workouts on this watch. First we need to open the workout app. To do it, let's press the power button to wake up the screen on our watch, then swipe up on the home screen to open the menu, select the Samsung Health app, or rather tap on the Samsung Health icon to open the Samsung Health app, then scroll down and find the exercise. Then tap on workout, and this is the workout app. We have the list of workouts as you can see, and we can add the workout to this list by scrolling all the way to the right, tapping on the add button, then tapping on select exercise, and then you can select the exercise to add to the list. You can also make a custom one. So if you tap on add, you can tap on create a new exercise. You can tap right here to name it. Then you can enable the option to record the distance or disable it. And once you're done, you can tap on save and it's gonna be added, as you can see. You can also remove the workouts by pressing and holding on one, then tapping on remove, like that. And once you're done customizing your workouts, you can basically press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you add the workout to the list of workouts on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.